Bongret is here. Hi guys, welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon, and once again, you know what we do here every morning. We are welcome once again to the second day of June 2026, and we are here to analyze the Bitcoin chart. Okay, yesterday when I was doing analysis if you follow up yesterday's analysis, the time Bitcoin was on green trying to move up, I told you that I'm practically still bearish on Bitcoin, and I was giving you an instant on the fact that the highest Bitcoin can do is to break above this our 74k trade here and start pushing down, okay, or come and trade at this rejection block and then move up. But none of those things happened. Okay, yesterday Bitcoin sold massively, as you can see, and during the course of the trading hour yesterday, I spotted another junction which I posted. If you're following me, okay, and please do well if you're not following my X handle. My X handle is where I post updates on anything you need to know about Bitcoin, the trading, everything you need to know about Bitcoin. It's always available on my X handle. Okay, check the link on my bio and then follow all my social accounts. Okay, so I spotted this region now that Bitcoin is currently rejecting from, and I updated the community the fact that we will be trading here, and then if Bitcoin should trade around this zone, around this 70k region, that we should look for a rejection and possibly buy. Don't forget, this buy doesn't mean that we are now bullish. The market is still trending downward. Okay, it's just a scalp buy because definitely we buy to sell and we sell to buy. Okay, so what is the way forward today? Let's point it out for the fact that Bitcoin traded. The low of Bitcoin yesterday was around 7,700 yesterday, and the high was around 7,400. So, and Asian market, the first 4 hours of the Asian market is coming, and this is it will be closing in the next 30 minutes or 28 minutes from now. And you can see on this our POI, Bitcoin is currently rejecting from it. So that is to show you that we are currently trying to look for a buy today. Okay, you can see how massive Bitcoin sold yesterday. So this sell yesterday and this drop the Asians started with is a clear fact that Bitcoin have taken liquidity. Okay, and in case if this junction fail to hold liquidity, if this junction fail to push liquidity to the upside, that means the next junction you should be waiting for BTC should be around 67 to 64k region. Okay, so but let's wait. As a day trader and as a scalper, you can always find your way to long or short the market briefly and make your money. Okay, so let's see what we have on Bitcoin today. Let's go down to 4 hours and I will show you what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do today. Okay, I will do my daily judgment. Okay, let me mark my daily judgment. Okay, you know what I trade daily judgment. The highest I'm expecting Bitcoin to come, if I thought Bitcoin will buy today, is around 73k. So anything that is making you to look for a buy here, don't target anything more than 73k region. Am I saying that Bitcoin cannot pump more than that? No, but as a trader, you don't have to be greedy. Okay, you have to be very conservative and make your money and leave the market to avoid unnecessary profit, and all of a sudden I enter into a loss. Okay, so don't forget, if you're watching the short clip of this analysis, do well to click on the link on my bio or the link below this video, and then go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and share. Okay, so that you can have full access to the full analysis. Okay, so this is not an attempt to give you daily signal, this is an attempt to give you daily insights on what you should look out for on BTC. Okay, but if you're interested in taking our signals, do well to join us on our Telegram, where we go live 11 a.m. West Africa time every day, and they analyze the market live, take live trade and make money. Okay, so don't forget, the link to the Telegram channel is also on my bio. Do well to join and you will enjoy it. Okay, so let's go down to 4 hours and see what the market is doing already. I told you the first Asian market, the first 4 hours of the Asian candle is closing, and it will be closing in the next 25 minutes. So what are we expecting from BTC now? Okay, let me delete this box so that you can see it clearly. This is the low of yesterday. Markets have taken the low and is closing inside the range. Okay, so I told you, if I must target any buy today, I must not target anything more than 73k. Okay, that is where I'm betting for a sell from again. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting right now, I don't have anything to trade. This is Asian session. Okay, I will leave Asians to do their things. Okay, now my expectation is this candle, the next Asian candle is the next 4 hours of the Asian market is starting by 5 a.m. West Africa time. So what am I expecting? I'm just expecting for, in case if this candle should close like this, don't forget we are on a 4-hour time frame. If this particular candle should close like this, then I'm expecting the Asian candle to come and close bullish from here. Yeah, close bullish from here, right like this. If it should close bullish like this, then it will now give me an opportunity to look for a buy from London session. I don't know if you get me. For instance, now the next Asian candle, when you open, 5 a.m., it will close by 9 a.m. So if you should close bullish like this, that's a very big plus. At least I know that on the 4 hours I have seen a double bottom on this, and don't forget that this is a demand zone. Okay, so I've seen a double bottom here, and then I will go to my lower time frame and look for a buy. Okay, and this is what my buy will look like. Okay, if the candles will look, then here my target, I will buy from here, because London, if it should close like that, London will pull back to come and grab some internal liquidity and then move to the upside. So this is my outlook. Okay, so for you to stay updated on this signal, if market should play out the way I just explained it for you now, then you have to stick to our Telegram channel and our X handle, because updates will always be posted there. Okay, so don't forget that no signal given yet. This is just an attempt of what I'm looking out for on BTC today. Okay, so thank you very much for watching to this extent. Stay updated, stay glued into our channel so that you will not miss any updates, and don't forget to join our community in case if you want to take our free signals. Okay, so don't forget, this is Bong Rate Solomon, and don't forget that Bong Rate is out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.